So I'm in Dumfries at Dumfries and Galloway College, and I've just had an excellent tour of the Net Zero Skills Centre. All the latest technologies on supply of electricity, how you connect up EVs, installing heat pumps, air source and ground source, augmented reality welding kit, the whole gamut of technology for those new net zero requirements. Training up young people and people who are in industry coming back in to get upskilled, so that we've got that cohort of individuals that have mastered those skills, absolutely critical for taking us towards the new net zero economy.
I chose to do the course at the college for the wind turbine course because it was something different in comparison to your electrical engineering and housing and social domestics. It's something out there, and you can see a lot more, do a lot more. The bigger generators, work on bigger generators. You see what industries, the high voltage, the low voltage. You get to break it all down. It's like in housing, domestic and things, you do it in a smaller scale. But in turbines, it's like the big scales, and that's what I enjoy about it. I hope to take it and one day own my own business in later life.
Very simple reason. It's growing as an industry. It's already very large. It's very, very extensive all across Western Europe, all across Australia, all across North America. If you get into it, you're liable to find work almost anywhere across the UK, onshore and offshore, and in many other countries. It's very reliable. It seems to be very, very consistent, very, very well paid, very, very interesting. You can bump into all over the world. It's, in short, a very smart decision.